Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming clip size and orientation for the specific girder flange and load. Secure a stable platform and put on gloves and eye protection. Mark attachment points at factory locations or per design. Use 1/2 clearance where specified and pre-check hole alignment. Once marked, position the first clip flush against the web and hold it in place. Use a clamp if vibration or wind could move the piece. This removes guessing and makes the next steps precise. Now you fasten the clip to the girder using the specified bolts and washers. Start by inserting fasteners through the pre-drilled holes and finger tighten to keep the clip adjustable. Then follow a staggered tightening pattern and torque each bolt to the engineer's specification so the load distributes evenly across the flange. While torquing, use a level to confirm the clip sits plumb and square. If alignment shifts, loosen and reseat before final torque to prevent distortion or unintended load paths. You complete the job by applying the final torque and installing lock nuts or an approved locking compound. Then perform a thorough inspection. Look for gaps between clip and flange, cracked paint, or bolt tension loss, and document measurements and torque values. If something is wrong, such as misalignment or a stripped thread, loosen the affected fasteners, reseat the clip correctly, and retorque to spec. If the clip or fastener is damaged, replace it immediately to restore structural integrity and avoid repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.